The Nuoenx Wireless Backup Camera N7 pairs a 7-inch color monitor with a digital wireless link that keeps the high-definition image steady and free from interference while you drive or reverse. Its compact rear camera offers a very wide viewing angle and a multi-element glass lens, so you see more of what is behind long vehicles like recreational vehicles or trailers with clear detail. The system is engineered to handle harsh weather with a rugged waterproof housing and a broad operating temperature range, making it reliable for year-round use on work trucks or campers. Installation is straightforward because the monitor can plug into a cigarette lighter, and the camera can tie into existing lighting circuits, avoiding long video cables and permanent modifications to the cabin. A strong wireless signal maintains a usable connection over long distances, and the included suction mount lets you position the display on the windshield or dashboard for comfortable viewing. Nighttime performance is a standout thanks to infrared illumination and a very low light sensor, and the monitor can show either 1 or 2 cameras at once if you add a second unit for extra coverage.